Hello everyone, welcome to Purva's Cafe Clash. For today, we'll be having an actor with us. His name is Ankit Bathla and मैं उनके लिए दो lines बोलना चाहूँगी. He has been born and brought up in Delhi. By nature, he is cheerful and lively. He is so handsome that I don't have words to describe. Whenever he's around, I can feel those positive vibes. His television debut was सम्मान एक अधिकार. Now let's start क्योंकि बातें तो होंगी लगातार. Let's invite Ankit Bathla with us.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing very well. You tell me what's up.
कट रहा है टाइम तो.
Nice. That's how it should be.
What
Moving
about you?
forward. I'm very well here. I'm still in Delhi. So I'm just waiting to head back to Bombay. So that should happen soon. And that's about it.
So, सबसे पहले to just start off, what I have heard about you is that you entered this field as a trainer. So, how did it all go like?
So I didn't enter this field as a trainer, but I was a trainer with American Express, and I used to take voice and accent training and process training for people. And then obviously acting happened, and Samman Ek Adhikar, as I just heard you say, it was my first show, and that was on Doordarshan, and that's how I came.
इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में आपने काफी कुकिंग करी है, वो तो सबको पता ही है. एंड यू आर अ ग्रेट शेफ, जहां तक मुझे पता है आपके बारे में. तो इस लॉकडाउन में जो आपने नई चीजें सीखी है, उसमें से आपकी फेवरेट रेसिपी किस चीज की है?
So I'll prefer things which are very simple, but still this one is really elaborate. It's called paneer kofta, which is malai paneer kofta. That's something which I've learned from my mother in this lockdown, and I think it's really, really nice. And very soon I'm also going to post a video on my YouTube where I'm trying to learn making roti. Because मुझे सब्जी बनानी तो बहुत अच्छी तरह आती है, but रोटी बनानी नहीं आती because वो हमेशा it goes in all shapes and sizes. So that's something which is coming up on my YouTube channel very soon.
We'll be waiting for that. लेकिन रोटियां गोल बनने लग गई क्या?
I don't think so, yeah. It's very difficult. I don't know how mothers pull it off, but गोल बनती है तो वो चिपक जाती है, और अगर अगर वो पका दो तो वो सड़ जाती है. So there are a lot of things happening, but yes, I think I'm at it.
You are trying.
Yeah, I'm totally trying.
अच्छा, to just pass your time in this lockdown period, आपने games खेले हैं क्या? PUBG जैसे games?
Not really, yaar. I'm not a very game fan. I like to invest time in reading. So I've read a lot of books in this lockdown, and I've learned Spanish, which is what I'm
Wow.
learning right now as well. And of course, cooking and YouTube and all of that stuff. But I'm not into gaming. The only game that I've really played is Ludo, because that's a family game. So, everybody can play it together with my family. So that's what I did.
इस lockdown period में there were many things which were not available, right? So were there any jugaads which you had?
Not really. I think everything was available, to be honest. And I think this was a time to teach all of us that how minimalistically we can live. So we don't really need to have everything under the basket every time. And, you can kind of really work your way out with little things as well. So yeah, so that's that. I think everything was available, to be honest. So I didn't really have to do a jugaad anytime.
So you didn't have any problems with the raw material or ingredients or anything like that?
Not really, yaar. I think I've been very lucky to be in Delhi with my
Absolutely,
family.
you
So
are.
everything was already home. Yeah, so everything was already home. So I didn't have to really do much about it. So I think, yeah, everything is great.
Amazing. Acha, any self-realization things that happened with you in this lockdown period? Because we were just on our own. So something like that?
So I think the most important realization that has happened is, is that nothing is really permanent. And plus, we keep planning and plotting and thinking that this is how we'll do and this is how it should happen, etc. But it's all really somebody's hand which is in this, right? So let's really focus on today and make the best of it that we have. And I think that's what I've learned over the lockdown.
Wow. Anything else about self-realization, self-discovery? Some new hobbies which you discovered about your own?
So I've started making content, which was very difficult for me as a person. I've
I
started
had a question
editing.
about that as well.
Oh, you do? Great. So yeah, so I've started editing my own videos, which is very nice. And I never thought I would do that. I've learned a couple of things in this lockdown like that. Plus, I think I've been in Delhi for the first time with my family for so long after I'm moving to Bombay. So I think that was really, really nice.
Yeah, amazing. So you have played so many roles, अलग-अलग serials में. So कोई से भी दो favorite characters from which you have, learned something as Ankit Bathla.
So I think Dhruv as Thapki Pyar has been very close to me for obvious reasons, and I've learned a lot from that character also because it had all the shades that we have in real life. So that's why I love that character so much. And the second is Arjun, which was obviously the Arjun from Mahabharata, because there's again a lot to learn from him in terms of courage and in terms of fearlessness and just be, that go-getter spirit which Arjun had. I think that's something which I've really picked up from these two characters.
So जहाँ तक you are, learning how to make chapatis and all rotis, talking about what kind of partner do you want? What qualities should she have?
So I think she should be a nice human being because that's honestly it sounds like Gyan, but that's the most important thing. Because if you're a nice human being, then all of everything starts falling into place, and your obviously your mutual understanding becomes stronger and all of that. So yes, first of all is that, and second is that I think she should just be pretty. Yes, I would love to have a wife who's pretty. And so yeah, so I think that's about it. And of course, romance would be an additional cherry on the cake. If she is romantic, then I think that solves the purpose.
What is love according to you?
So love is, I just was something that just came to my mind is love is true. Because today I see a lot of friends of mine complaining that true love does not exist, but I really believe it does because if I love my mother and if that can be true, so my love with my partner can also be true. It's just
Absolutely.
about meeting the right person. So love is really true and absolute is what I think.
And what is happiness according to you?
Happiness is just getting up in the morning and having a beautiful day in front of you and being alive with your family members being happy around you. So I think that's happiness for me.
Ah, short, crisp, and ekdam perfect, sir.
Thank you.
What will you miss the most about this lockdown period?
What will I miss? I think I'll miss my parents the most because I'm heading to Bombay. So obviously they'll be here in Delhi. So that's the only thing which I'll probably miss about this lockdown. The rest of it, I think I could go do without it also.
So when are you planning to go back to Bombay?
Let's see. Hopefully soon.
Everybody is waiting for you.
Yeah, I hope so. Only the negative patients. No, I don't want any positive corona patients waiting for me.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. What are your upcoming plans like for the acting, shooting stuff?
So we are talks for a web series, which hopefully will start shooting soon. And there's a lot of content on my YouTube channels, which is also coming up, which is kind of planned. So that's what I'm looking forward to. So these are the two major things which are in the pipeline. But obviously, as soon as once I go back to Bombay, things will open up even more.
Absolutely. So talking about your YouTube channel, that is Ankit Bathla's show, how do you come up with such creative ideas?
I'm not too sure if they're creative because that's something which is very, very me. So I don't do anything special or extra. So whatever I really cook, I just put it on the channel, and that's that. But I've not been very regular with the YouTube in the last 10 days. But now I'm going to get back to it hopefully soon.
It is so refreshing whenever I see you personally posting something that, a new video is out, or whenever my YouTube just gives me a notification that the video is out. अरे अब देखूंगी मैं अच्छे से.
How sweet. Thank you so much, Purva. That means a lot. Thank you.
Acha, the kada which you had prepared for your YouTube channel, are you still having it?
Yes, I have it every day religiously because I genuinely mean it. It's something which is prescribed by the Ayush Ayurvedic Ministry of India. And I urge everyone to go make that kada because it's made up of all the ingredients which are really good for your body, for your skin, for your immunity. So yes, I do follow it religiously.
Wow. How's your experience with YouTube? Because you have worked with TV serials and with a movie as well. So what's your experience with YouTube?
For me, YouTube is only a platform to kind of, connect with my fans even more. So, so far so good. Obviously, there are people who follow me on YouTube and they watch my videos. So it's good fun to have all of them there. So that's about it. And I love making content is what I've realized now. So which is also a good outlet for me on YouTube.
So you have, how come do you come with content? How come do you come up with content?
How do I come up with content? There's something when I'm sleeping in the night and I just feel, oh, I think I should do this tomorrow. And that's as simple as that. So there is no strategy behind it. And there's no planning behind it. It's just something which I just get up and start doing. That's it.
Great. What were your firsts in this lockdown period?
What was my first? The firsts were, I think, learning Spanish was the first. Making YouTube and editing it myself was the first. And yeah, so I think that's pretty much the first of my lockdown, I guess.
So, your favorite subject in your school?
Was business studies.
Great. Abhi इसीलिए एकदम अच्छे से, you are able to manage it.
I hope so.
That is a fact. Places in India you want to visit?
So I was supposed to be in the Northeast at this time, like last month. So I'm really excited once this opens up. I want to go to the Northeast of India and also down south because these are the two places that I haven't explored. So I'm really looking forward to that.
Any travel plans you had for 2020?
Yes, as I said, I was supposed to be in the Northeast and I was supposed to be in Turkey. So Turkey, I've already visited last year, but Turkey is very beautiful and I have a lot of fans in Turkey. So I wanted to visit Turkey again. And I also, in Ramzan, every year I go to Indonesia. So of course, Ramzan was also Indonesia. So these were the two major travel plans that got bumped because of the lockdown.
One special question. I guess there's some network issue.
I can hear you.
So one special question for you is, whenever you used to go to the sets of Thapki Pyar Ki, so over there you used to go just for shooting or to have a slap from someone?
Chata, of course. Monica was one of the, my wife, obviously, in the show. And she used to have this takya kalam of chata pad jayega type. So, pada to kabhi nahi mujhe waise, but yes, I've heard a lot of it.
Any memory which you have from the sets of Thapki Pyar Ki?
So I remember that there was this time when Dhruv, and Shraddha had this amazing chemistry where she got to know that he still loves Thapki, and there were scenes where I would cry, and when Thapki married Bihan. So there were times when Dhruv as a character would just keep crying. So I remember those scenes, and I remember it was very tough and very difficult because we would shoot whole night for those scenes, and I would keep crying and crying and crying. So when I would get back home, I remember, you still are in that sad space, you're not in that happy space because it takes over you as an actor. So that's something which I remember very clearly. And yeah, so that was fun. And there were a lot of scenes which we shot in the rain. So, coming back home again, all drenched was crazy. But these are all parts of this beautiful show which we've all been part of.
If given an opportunity to choose a character which you want to play, so which kind of character would you choose?
So I've always been playing the nice good boy who's like this IT return or like this businessman. So I would love to play something more fun, which is like more casual or maybe a little more of a goon or maybe a police officer or maybe something on those lines, because I've always played businessmen and I'm like pretty much done with businessmen and doctors right now.
Absolutely. If given an authority to change one thing in this industry, what would it be?
I think the payment cycles, they are just way too long. 90 days is way too long to be waiting for your payment. So that's one thing which I would like to probably change in the industry.
Gee. So I had a word with Monzadi that I am going to go live with Ankit Bhaiya, and is there any question you want to ask him? So she was like, she gave me the answer as well. So she said that even if I ask him कब मिल रहा है, तो his answer would be जब तेरे पास time हो. So this
That's
was
true.
something. This was something which she was like, but she said that I really want to meet you, sit with you, and eat with you, and she misses you a lot.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you so much, Purva, for bringing this from Monica. Of course, she's very special to me. It's just that we haven't really been able to meet a lot because we both got busy with our own work. But yes, she's very special to me, and so is everybody from the team of Thapki.
Absolutely. So she even said that she is waiting for new mushroom recipes now because she has tried all the recipes which you have given her, but she's waiting for something new.
Yeah, so I hope soon that she'll get some more mushroom recipes. I hope so too.
She will. Acha, in this lockdown period, did you just sit back and watch your previous shows?
No, yeah, I didn't actually. I was very busy looking at something which is in the future rather than watching something which we've already done. Because I have honestly watched a lot of my shows, but Thapki Pyar Ki, because it's running in Turkey right now. So a lot of fans from Turkey have kept posting videos and clips and photographs. So obviously it brings back all the memories. And to all my Turkey fans here, I want to say Seni Seviyorum guys. So that means I love you guys.
A rapid fire round? This or that?
Sure, let's do it. Yeah, okay.
Book or movies?
Movies.
Animals or people?
Animals.
Beaches or mountains?
Beaches.
Cakes or cookies?
Tough one. I think cookies maybe. I don't know.
Black or white?
White.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Black coffee?
I love black coffee, yes. Black coffee with 2 spoons of milk.
Oh, wow. TV shows or web series?
Both. I can't be choosing one.
Instagram or Snapchat?
Instagram for sure.
Calling or messaging?
Messaging. I'm more of a message person.
Text or voice note?
Text, I think.
Okay. Pizza or pasta?
Depends on my mood, but I guess I don't know. Maybe pizza. Yeah.
Okay. Tom and Jerry or Shin Chan?
Tom and Jerry any day. I love him. I love them.
Movies at home or movies in theater?
Movies at home any day.
Waffles or pancakes?
Pancakes. I love making and eating pancakes.
Wow, I can't wait to have them. Aapke haath ka wo bhi.
Very soon.
Craziest fan moment you've had?
I think in Indonesia, there were a lot of fans who have given me extreme love, and especially they have made a group called Ankitians ID Official. So,
Wow.
Ankitians Indonesia, I really love all of them, and Aku Cinta Kalian Indonesia.
अच्छा, ऐसा कभी हुआ है आपके साथ, that you are traveling somewhere in Mumbai itself, or you are in a rickshaw or in a local, or just traveling, and someone just finds you and he or she is like, oh, this is Ankit Bathla, and something like that?
Of course, that happens. That doesn't happen a lot in Bombay because obviously Bombay we are more attuned to having actors around. But if there's a tourist and they get to see you, they obviously have that expression on them. Yes, happens.
Wow. So, Dhruv or Arjun?
Dhruv, any day.
Uh, Last song in your head?
Last song? Yeah, actually no song. I haven't listened to songs from quite some time. So no, blank.
Blank.
Mere Bina Mein, now that we're talking about Thapki Pyar Ki, so I think Mere Bina Mein is one of the songs which Dhruv and Thapki were like, it was a communion song for us. So that song maybe, yes.
Do you remember the lyrics?
Yeah, I do, but I'm a very bad singer.
Let it be. Your fans would love it, okay, if you sing it.
I just remember one line, I think, but I'll still just sing it for you. Mere bina main जीने लगा हूँ लगता That's it. That's all I remember from the song.
Sorry की कोई बात नहीं. Romantic horror thriller?
Romantic and then I think thriller and the romantic horror and then thriller. Yeah, perfect.
This is the same way, right?
Yeah.
Ice cream or barf gola?
Barf Cola.
Wow. Summer, winter, rainy?
Winter.
North Indian or South Indian?
North Indian.
Sleeping or shooting?
Shooting, of course, any day.
Any day. Hollywood or Bollywood?
Bollywood, any day.
An app you can't live without?
WhatsApp, if it's an app, I don't know, but yeah, WhatsApp.
It is. Okay, fine. Acha, another thing which I wanted to ask you, what is the upcoming thing for your YouTube channel?
So I'm going to be posting a video tomorrow, which is one of my friends from London is there in that video. And we have made a video on me teaching him Hindi. So he is speaking in Hindi and with his really cute accent. So I think that should be fun. And after that, I will be posting a video on me making roti. So that's like a roti challenge, which I will be doing. And people will get to learn how to make rotis as well, especially people who are not from India. And also at the same time, it'll be a fun video.
That's amazing. Acha, what all languages can you speak?
So I can speak English, Hindi, Punjabi, Bahasa a little. Then I can speak a little bit of this Spanish now. So these are the 5 languages.
Wow. So a message you want to give to your viewers in Punjabi?
Punjabi?
Hanji.
Sat Shri Akal ji. Actually, just, when you have to just say it in one go, it's just a little funny. But yeah, I just want to say ki bhai Rab rakha, take care of yourself and haste raho aur hasande raho. Aur ki.
Any message you want to give to your Indonesian fans?
So, okay, so aku cinta kalian Indonesia, aku rindu kalian, inshallah kita balik lagi, and sehat selalu ya. So I'm trying to say that I miss you guys and I love you a lot, and inshallah I'll be very soon back in Indonesia, and you just take care of your health.
Wow. You're so sweet, you're so humble, and even after doing so many shows, having so much of fame and love from your fans, you don't have that ego aspect in you, and just be the same the way you are.
Thank you, Purva. It was lovely talking to you, and it was great connecting with everybody here, and I shall see you soon.
We'll meet soon. Take care of yourself.
See you. See you
Bye.
everyone. Bye. Bye.